Very good, Lily. And this one?
Hi.
Hi. This one, what is this? What is that? What is it?
Really, what's that? Oh,
Panda? What is it?
panda.
Panda?
Liana Ramsey, anak ni Ellen Adarna at Derek Ramsey, laging parit-parito sa bahay ng kanyang mga parents. Ngayon naman ay nasa bahay siya ng kanyang daddy Derek at doon nga ay may sarili pa siyang kwarto at playroom. Nakakatuwa, sobrang dami ng laruan. At syempre nariyan ang kanyang mamita, ang kanyang lola na palaging masaya tuwing nariyan ang apo na si Lily. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
Wow. How about the princess house here?
Other house is that?
Go.
Go. Wow, so
Are you happy? Someone's happy. Wow.
Iba talaga ang saya ng mga lola kapag kapiling nila ang kanilang apo, lalong-lalo na sa loob ng bahay dahil talaga naman nakakadagdag ito ng happiness. Napakatyaga talaga ng mga lola para alagaan ang kani-kanilang mga apo, lalong-lalo na ang lola ni Lily, na talaga namang minsan ay nire-request pa siya na pumunta sa bahay ng Daddy Derek para sila ay magka-banding. Lalong-lalo na rin ang lolo nito si Lily, ang Daddy White ni Derek Ramsey.
nice.
Paul,
Go, go, go.
you know what? You should put your friends in there, Lily. Up, careful behind you. Oh. See, you have to be careful. Yoy, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, you're okay. Where are you going? Uy. Are you embarrassed? It's okay to be embarrassed. Don't worry about it.
Sa bahay nga ng kanyang Daddy Derek ay napakalaki ng galawan ni Lily. Napakaraming laruan para sa kanya at talaga namang inorganize ito ng kanyang Daddy Derek. Katunayan ay nagpa-painting pa nga itong si Derek Ramsey ng wall para naman tugman-tugma sa playroom. Napakaganda ng disenyo, nagustuhan ito ni Lily. Parang under the sea ang theme ng kanyang playroom. Mayroon pa siyang sariling slide at kung ano-anong laruan doon. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang tagabantay ni Lily, ang kanyang personal yaya. Dahil nga mayaman sila, hindi mawawala ng personal yaya na ipinadala si Ellen Adarna para bantayan si Lily.
One, two, three, jump! Ocho. Jump, 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 and we all fall down. Do. Wow. Again. Jump high. One, two, three, jump.
Turn around.
Around. One. Two. Wow. Done now. Okay. Go up. Watch what you're doing. You be careful.
Sit down.
Very good. Sit down. That's it.
Leg first.
One leg. Very good.
Other one. The other leg.
Okay.
Other leg.
That's it.
1,
Not
2,
yet. Not yet. The other leg. Masapit.
There she goes.
Ah.
Wow. Sleep.
good night.
May sarili ring small trampoline itong si Lily sa loob ng kanyang playroom dahil nakitaan nga siya ni Daddy Derek na mahilig siyang mag-hop-hop kaya naman naisipan na bilhan siya ng sariling trampoline na sa gayon malaya siyang makatalon-talon. Meron din nga siyang sariling ball pit sa loob ng kwarto kung saan makikita ito sa mga tipikal na playground. Dito ay personal na ginagamit ito ni Lily at kanyang-kanya. Nakakatuwa din si Derek Ramsey dahil iniisip din niya ang kagustuhan ng kanyang anak. Talaga namang naglalaan siya ng oras para makabanding itong si Lily. At madalas nga rin niya itong hinihiram sa kanyang Mami Ellen Adarna lalo pa ngayon na talaga namang nakakapagtrabaho na rin si Mami Ellen. Kaya naman, pag busy nga si Mami ay na
Jack,
kay
there's the
Daddy
big ball.
Derek itong si Lily.
Get the big ball, Jack.
You're learning from her.
Go.
Naughty.
Lily, show Jax how you dunk the basketball. Go. Jax.
Hey, buddy.
Lily. There it is. Shoot. Shoot. Show. Go, 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 Lily, put
Not a lot.
Go, Jack. Shoot it. Shoot it, Jack. Shoot. Dunk. Good job. Your turn, Lily. Your turn, Lily. Oh, here, Lily. Your turn.
Ball to dispenser, etc.
Good job, Jack. Good job.
Yeah.
All right, Lily, go. Defense, Lily. Defense.
Give to Lily.
Wrong end, buddy.
Buddy.
Okay. Oh, Jack, this. Show Jack the.
Lily, where is the whale?
Where's the dolphin?
Show Jacko the whale. Lily, where's the whale? There. Do you see the whale, Jack?
Tingnan mo yung bata.
And the turtle, look